Hey friends, I want to address something right off the bat because it's been on my mind a little. I know how this looks. Guy shows up on YouTube talking about a crypto platform, says trust me it's legit, drops a link in the description. I've seen that video approximately 10,000 times and I click away from it every single time. So I'm aware of what I'm walking into here. The difference, and I know everyone says there's a difference, is that I've spent a few years actually building up a process for evaluating this stuff. Lost money a couple times doing it the wrong way and eventually figured out what signals actually matter. So when I say something held up, there's a specific methodology behind that. That's the context. So this site is what I've actually been testing lately. Been on it a couple months now. And look, the reason I keep coming back to it is honestly kind of hard to make sound exciting because it works. Like every time I open it up, it's the same thing I left. And I know that sounds like I'm describing the bare minimum of what a platform should do, but honestly, after enough time in this space, you start to realize how rare that actually is. Okay, so this is actually what Flash Bitcoin technology is supposed to look like when it's done right. Let me just walk you through it as it happens. So first thing you're seeing when you land is the packages. They've got 4 of them. Each one has the pricing right there, no hunting around for it. And each one kind of tells you what it's built for, which I appreciate. I'm gonna go with this one here. So now, visibility duration. Okay, so I've got options ranging from 1 hour all the way out to 1 week, depending on my needs. So for what I'm showing you today, I'm just gonna set it to 7 days. Okay, moving on, network selection, straightforward, and now the target address. So this is where I'm switching over to my wallet real quick. Okay, pulling that up, copying my BTC address, and jumping back over here, pasting it in. Yeah, that's right, looks good. And the last thing is just hitting Get Flash right here to push it through. There it is, payment screen. So I've got 2 options, direct send or wallet connect. But I'm gonna go the manual route today, so it's all visible for you and easy to demonstrate. And there we go. All done on my end. Now it's just a matter of the transaction confirming and the platform processing everything on their side. Once that goes through, the tokens should land on my balance. So while that's doing its thing, let me actually get into what's made this platform worth talking about. And look, the thing I keep landing on when I try to put into words why this one feels different from most of what's out there, it's the actual product itself. The way the site is built, how the interface behaves, how the whole workflow feels when you're actually moving through it. And I realize that sounds like a weird thing to focus on, but it's become one of my earliest filter points because scam platforms have this very specific quality to them that's hard to describe until you've encountered it enough. Everything is just slightly off. Navigation that looks organized but doesn't actually take you anywhere useful, sections that seem important until you click on them, workflows that feel like they were reverse engineered from screenshots rather than actually designed to function. The whole thing is built to create an impression, not deliver a service. This platform doesn't have that quality. The workflow we just went through was logical, nothing was confusing, everything sat where you'd expect it to. That requires real product investment, and it's something that fake operations consistently struggle to replicate convincingly. So guys, links down in the description if you want to check it out. And honestly, I'm looking forward to hearing what you find when you get in there yourself, because that's the part that actually matters. Test it, feel out the interface, run your own verification through independent sources. Give it enough time to show you something real. That process is going to tell you way more than anything I've said here. And beyond just this platform, building that habit of testing things properly yourself, forming your own read on what holds up, that compounds over time in a way that's genuinely useful, worth doing.